Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. My name is Muhammad bin Muhammad Ramdan. My matric number is 2023197347 and I am under group ELC590 and this is my presentation for activity 3 of ELC590. Now, speaking to my fellow engineering students, I believe that most of us have so many core subjects that need to be studied, like calculus, solid mechanics, where it is not enough with simply reading, but we have to repetitively practice to be able to fully comprehend the subject. And because of that, I believe that it requires us to study till late at night almost every single day. And so, I believe that most of us faces the same problems as I do, which is we have to turn off the light early because we do not want to disturb our friends from their sleep. I'm sure that most of you believe that the solution to this problem is by simply having the desk lamp, like this one. Now, this is a traditional kind of desk lamp, but as you can see, it is very big. Because it is big, it is also very heavy. And because of that reason, it is very unsuitable for us students because it is hard to be brought everywhere. You can't pack this because it is too big, it can't fit into any bags. You have to hold it and it is very heavy, so I believe it is not suitable. And not only that, as you can see, it uses this kind of plug, meaning that when it has this kind of plug, we have to be able to position our table near any plug point. And I'm sure that is very hard to do because as students, our room layout is not what we decide on, right? Sometimes our tables are placed very far away from plug point, so that makes it even harder to use this kind of desk lamp, right? It is very situational. And because of that, I want to introduce to you guys another version of desk lamp that is far better than that one, which is this one, the portable desk lamp. Now this one does the same exact thing, but it does it even better. Firstly, let's take a look at the charging port. It uses Type-C kind of charger. This means that you only need a Type-C cable, and I believe every single student have access to at least one Type-C cables, right? It is very easy to be able to get one. It is very cheap, and not only that, it is very small. Look at the size of it compared to my hand. It is very small, it is very light, meaning that you can pack it, you can fit it into tight compartment, tight spaces, you can bring it everywhere. And not only that, the way to use it is very simple. You just have to open this one and one more, and then there's a button over here where you just have to push the button to be able to open the lamp. And there is 3 modes available: the white lights, the yellowish light, and the combination of both. And not only that, you can also control the brightness of this light by holding the button like this. So that means that if you don't have any use for too much of a light, you can dim the light, or if you need to be able to see more, you can just hold it more to be able to see brighter, right? So I believe it is very convenient for us students. It solves the problem of not disturbing our students, our friends from their sleep. It does not require any space because it is very small. You can place it anywhere. If your table is very clustered, if there are so many paper on your table, laptops, tablets, there are no space to put a desk lamp, you can put it anywhere else because it is very small. It is very convenient, flexible. Okay, so I believe that this one solved the problem that many students faces, such as the one I mentioned, which is we have to give up on studying late at night because we don't want to disturb our friends from their sleep. And I believe this thing is very useful because you just have to charge it and you can bring it anywhere. You don't have to be near any plug points. You just have to have it charged, and you can use it wherever, whenever, and however you want. So I believe it is very useful, and I believe that this product is something that many people should invest in because it is a one-time payment, I mean, and you can use it anywhere, wherever, and whenever. Thank you.